Hi, today for the few Redmi Note 11 Pro, and I will show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold the application and drag this app to another one. So we just created a new home screen folder. By the same way we can add here more applications. As you can see, that's so simple. To rename the folder, just tap on open it and click on the name and enter here the new name. For example, the apps, tap to OK, and now we can see that we just renamed it successfully. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you wanna remove the application from the home screen, we should just from the folder to home screen, hold it and drag it to the home screen. If you wanna remove it from the home screen from the folder, hold and tap to remove icon. Also, if you want, you can just remove all of the applications when one click with the folder. Just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.